Today I'm gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search Wavetrend oscillator. Add one more indicator for more accuracy, that is range filter, PAB losses. Now both the indicators are applied. In the settings of range filter indicator, make the from month 5 and range multiplier 2. This trading strategy is simple and works good in 5 and 15 minutes time frame. When the range filter indicator gives you the buy signal, along with that Wavetrend indicator gives you the buy signal, buy the call and hold it until the Wavetrend indicator gives you the sell signal. When the range filter indicator gives you the sell signal, along with that Wavetrend indicator gives you the sell signal, sell the call and hold it until the Wavetrend indicator gives you the buy signal. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.